Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's recipe is all about yumminess. You need 2 eggs, some spices, some garam masala over there, mint, black pepper, chili, whole lot of spices, a bowl, and some flour or flour, and of course some pieces of chicken. Today we are chickening, today we are KFC, everything. So the first step is to do what? Take your 2 eggs and beat them. Beat them completely until they are well mixed up. Add some salt. Pinch, not a lot. Small amount of salt. We do not want our chicken to be very salty. We want it sweet. Sweet is our motto here. Now bring your flour. Take your spices, black pepper, put just small amount. Don't put a lot. Take all the spices and put small amount of spices. Like for instance, chili is very hot. So if you are a beginner, put small amount. But if you are an OG, then you can put a lot of chili if that has no problem with your mouth. But I do love the hotness of chili. Oh my goodness, it's so awesome. But do not put a lot. Do not put a lot. Mix everything and make sure that everything is well incorporated. It's well mixed up. Now take your chicken breast, take your chicken thighs, take your chicken lungs, take your chicken everything. Put those pieces in the bowl that contain flour. Cover the chicken with some flour, then put them in the egg solution. Take a separate plate or a bowl and place all those pieces inside. Cover your pieces with a foil or a paper. Put the stuff in the fridge and let it marinate 30 minutes. Turn on your gas and put some oil in a sufuria or whatever you're using to cook and wait for it to preheat. Before putting your chicken inside, make sure that the oil is moderately hot, not very hot. And of course, my pieces are well marinated. Now it's time to put them in the hot oil, but I said not very hot but moderately hot. So take your pieces and put them in the oil and let them cook. When you see the golden color, it's an indication that your chicken is ready to be eaten. So remove all the pieces in the oil. So guys, our chicken is ready. What next should you do? Bring your plate and I'm gonna serve you some. So guys, bye bye. See you on the next video and show me some love. Just subscribe and like the video. See you soon.